This 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 524 EWS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Lakeland, FL 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.